right, we're back for day 7. Can you believe it? A full 7 days with me if you've been following me along. All right, this is my day 7 journey. And if you've been watching these videos so far, you already know that what I'm building is a real deal digital business from the ground up. I started with no audience, no product of my own, or no tech wizard skills. Just a system that they gave me, which is a product to sell, a step-by-step digital marketing training, and a community and mentorship to keep me going. So now I'm giving and inviting you to join me. So if you've been watching me this long and watching the videos, maybe you're asking yourself, can I do this? You know, if that's true, this may be your green light to say, yes, I can. Keep in mind, guys, you don't have to build this thing alone. We'll build it side by side. You don't have to figure it out from scratch. Remember, you're getting a business already built for you. You don't even have to have all the answers yet. I didn't. Okay? You just have to decide and stop having analysis of paralysis and stop talking yourself out of the start. If you've been watching this long and saying, I'm getting ready to get ready, then you're not ready. Pull the trigger. See what happens when you just decide and say, you know what? I've seen it, I saw it. If he can do it, I can do it too. All right? So I'll be dropping the link below where you can check out the exact system that I'm using. And if you're ready, you can be set up and running within 2 to 3 days. Most people are doing this, getting their whole system set up within a weekend. Now, if you have any questions, comment below or DM me. Either way, don't wait on your dreams. It's closer than you think. We can build this thing together. I'll let you decide. Either watch me build it or build it with me.